Ayan, next live po natin mga ka-person. Ito, 2023 Nissan Rogue. Automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 3. Version po niya is SV Midnight. Odometer po niya 68,072 km. 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 123 tax included. Ayan, 123 tax included. And then, nakasimit-antad din po yung kanyang salamin dito sa likod. Ayun, SV Midnight. Ayan. Oops. Ayan, nandito na rin po yung kanyang summer matting sa likod. Full sunroof, 5-seater seat, leather seat, check. And then, may cover siya. And then, spare tire accessories, check. Then, close. Then, check natin yung kanyang interior dito sa likuran. Ayan, interior po niya sa likuran is ganito. Brown color with combination black color. And then, meron din po to. Net. Ayan. Leather seat. And then, heated seat din po rito sa bandang likuran. Charging area. Full sunroof check. Diba? And then, interior po niya in front is ganito po siya. Ayan. Check natin. Then, yung adjustan po ng kanyang upuan is dito po siya. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-up and down, move forward, back forward. Ayan. Diba? And then, ito po yung kanyang susi. Ayan, 2023 Nissan Rogue. Isa lang po yung susi na na-receive natin. And then, sa mismong susi po niya, meron na rin po siyang remote starter. Then, press button start. Ayan, hanapin natin ang heated seat. Ayan, heated seat po niya yun, magkabilaan, check. And then, hot steering wheel, ayan, magagamit mo nitong winter. I-off natin yung kanyang fan. Ayan. And then, yung parking brake po niya ito, dipindot po siya. And then, gamitin mo tong economy na to para makatipid po kayo sa gas. And then, syempre, hindi po nawawalang snow. And then, kung napapansin mo, meron siyang maliit na panel dito. Sa magkabilang side, ayan. Cross control, distance. Yan, then yung kilometer niya is yan. And then, reverse camera po niya is yun. Clear na clear yung kanyang reverse camera. And same time, meron po siyang guide dito or sensor. Yan, the park. Then, of course, touchscreen din po siya. And then, leather seat, 5-seater seat. May lagayan ka ng shade or eyeglasses dito sa taas. And then, yung kanyang sunroof na o-open po yan. Hindi ko na siya i-open kasi for sure, babagsak ang snow. Charot. And then, yung kanyang manual, nandito na rin siya. So, may glove box. And then, yung mahiwagang box. Ayun. Charot. Ayun. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2023 Nissan Rogue. Automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya 3. Version po niya SB Midnight. Odometer po niya yun. 68,758 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 123 tax included. First change oil po niya is free. Unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer tires libre. Then, meron po tayong warranty na 5 years. Kasama towing, electrical, and then yung dashboard ng yung sasakyan. Naging full warranty na silang lahat. Except sa mismong kasa. Ayan. So, ito po siya mga ka-person. So, once again, 2023 Nissan Rogue. 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 123 tax included. Pa-PM na lang po ako kung sinong may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!